Well, the bug is together. We're going for our first ride. Pops is in the car. We're going to go see how this goes. How do you think it sounds?
It sounds wonderful.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's actually weird driving because it's got that stock shifter on it.
Yeah.
Excited we finally got it back together?
Oh, yeah. I think it's cool. So, the freeway transmission doesn't like anything but a stock shifter?
Well, I don't know if it's the bracket that we used or what we used, but we couldn't get the other shifters that we have to line up. So this is where we're at now.
Did you even try the drag fast?
Yep.
I don't either. It's always had that little bit of hesitation. Oh man, that's crazy.
And it actually has working brakes. What do you know?
Yeah. Cool.
Well, we got a whole lot of sun in our eyes.
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited it's on the ground.
I am too. I'm totally excited. It is so cool.
Yeah, after all the wiring and all the clutch stuff and all the cables and everything we've been through, it's pretty awesome to actually be able to drive this one.
Yes, it is.
I don't know why the throttle cable's hanging up a little bit. We've got to look at that. I'm having to pull the throttle back with my feet. Yeah, for some reason, I don't know if we've just got a weird angle on it, but with all the craziness we've gone through.
Just adjust that a little bit longer.
Yeah.
With all the craziness, it's great to have it on the road. That's gnarly. That is really nice.
Go up the road a little bit. together, and I'm
Oh,
glad it's
man.
running.
Yeah, I called you guys, both of you, and didn't get any answer. I said, oh, they're still putting it together. I better head back over.
Yeah, we were wondering if you were going to come back tonight or not. Not bad for a little Volkswagen, huh? You can tell this cruise is better than it did before, too.
Oh, absolutely.
It's definitely not as wrapped up as it was with the 1600 and the other transmission.
Yeah, that's a good cruising sound.
Yeah.
Good cruising sound. What did Travis think?
He hasn't even ridden in it.
Oh, hasn't he?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Just me and you so far.
Oh, wow.
Definitely got to look at the throttle.
Yeah.
See what's going on there. It's just not coming back as fast as we would like.
Well, it's better than that wire, though.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, you guys knocked it out of the park.
Can't beat up on it all the time.
I think it's back to where it's a guy that you can have a lot of fun driving. You know?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Taking it out, showing it off. The engine compartment looks good. You've updated the brakes. Got the wiring all squared away. Wow, that's cool. It's like a new car.
Pretty much.
Like a new car. I really like the angle that it sits at now. I just, all those years, I just never really noticed it was jacked up.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, I think it had such bigger tires on front originally, too.
Yeah.
That it just...
It balanced it out a little
Yeah.
bit more.
Although, the disc brakes are noisy.
Well, they're just breaking in. So cool.
Park over here for right now.
Ah,
So just because I have no clue if any of that audio picked up, what do you think of your first ride in the 56?
I am totally surprised. I totally love the car. I love the angle. I love the engine compartment. I love the way it handles. The way it sounds. It's like a brand new car to me. Brand new car. These guys did one hell of a job. Whoa.
You heard it from him. That's going to be it for this Mileage Unknown. Stay tuned for more Volkswagen shenanigans.
Watch out for the Russell brothers. They're on their way.